So now you can see I've gone and added in that table, but I need to do some formatting. So I'm going to start with just the heading, highlight it all, right click, merge cells, and I'm going to center align that. And in the design tab, let's just change the set shading to be grey, and let's do the same for that second row as well. Now, I might want to change the width of some of these columns. So I'm going to highlight and drag those across so that I can get all the information I want to show. And let's say left align that so it looks a bit tidier. So I've got my border created and changing all the grid lines on this. So I'm going to highlight that. On my design, I'm going to change the borders to between 2, 2.5. Let's just change all borders so we've got nice solid lines on that section. Now if I don't want the spaces after each row, I can also remove those as well, just so it looks a bit tidier. So that basically finishes up point 35. So we've skipped through down to here, changed all the grid lines, and now I need to insert this image at the beginning of the paragraph that starts our Extreme Sports Centre. So I'm going to do that again. So I've found that piece of text, going to move right to the beginning of that. I want to insert a picture. Now I'm going to go to where I've got that picture saved. And it's inserted by default. Now we want to apply some formatting to it. So I want to change size and position. Let's do the text wrapping. I want it square. Okay, so the writing's going around. And we actually also want to change the size of this so that it is 3 centimeters high, and lock the aspect ratio so it stays in the same proportions. And this is once we've done this, that is the end of part 1. So at this stage, I suggest saving your work, emailing it to your teacher, and then continuing on with part 2.